So here we have a bullet having a mass of 10 grams and it is moving with a speed of 1.5 meters per second. Let us write the given data first. So mass of the bullet, that is m1, is equal to 10 grams. It is given in grams, so we have to convert it into kilograms. So we have to divide by 1000. So it becomes 10 upon 1000 kg. Now it says that the initial velocity of the bullet is 1.5. That means u1 will be equal to 1.5 meters per second. It penetrates a thick wooden plank of mass 90 grams. That means mass of the plank, that is m2, will be equal to 90 grams. That means 90 upon 1000 kilograms. Now the plank was initially at rest. That means its initial velocity is 0. The bullet gets embedded in the plank and both move together, determine their velocity. That means after collision, their final velocity will remain the same. So initial velocity of the plank, that was u2, is equal to 0 meters per second. That is given in the question. Now we have to find their common velocity. We know that the formula will be for the law of conservation of momentum, that is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now we are starting the solution with the formula itself, but we know that v1 is equal to v2 is equal to v, that is the common velocity. So we'll write the formula as it is. Now we'll start substituting the values. Now pay attention over here. m1 is 10 upon 1000. So we write 10 upon 1000 into u1. What is the value of u1? The value of u1 over here is 1.5. So we get one bracket over here. Then plus sign comes as it is. Then m2 into u2. What is m2? Do we have m2? Yes, we have m2. We have 90 upon 1000. So we write 90 upon 1000. u2 we know is 0, so multiplied by 0. Then is equal to sign will come over here. Then we have m1 into v1. What is m1? m1 is 10 upon 1000. So we write 10 upon 1000 into v1. What is v1? Do we have the value of v1? No, right? That means we have to write the common velocity, that is v, plus m2. What is m2? 90 upon 1000, and again we know that the common velocity will be v. So now 10 into 1.5 is 15. So we have 15 upon 1000. So we write 15 upon 1000. 90 into 0 becomes 0. That means this entire term becomes 0. Is equal to comes over here. Then 10 upon 1000 into v plus 90 upon 1000 into v. So we remove v common over here. And after removing v as common, we have 10 upon 1000 plus 90 upon 1000. So here what we have is, on the left hand side we have 15 upon 1000 as it is. Here 90 plus 10 becomes 100. So we have v, and in the bracket we have 100 upon 1000. Now this 1000 and this 1000 gets cancelled. That means 15 is equal to v into 100 is what we have. Now since we have 15 is equal to v into 100, 100 comes below 15. So we get v is equal to 15 upon 100, and 15 upon 100 is nothing but 0.15, and the unit for velocity is meters per second. So the final statement would be that the plank embedded with the bullet moves with a velocity of 0.15 meters per second.